Hey guys, my name is Temyo and welcome back to my channel. Well, India has officially banned 59 Chinese apps. So immediately I uninstalled an app that I was using. At first I thought I have removed it, but it's not. Like some app, you have to manually remove the access from your account. Do you want to know how many third-party app has an access to your Google account? This third-party app has an access and see your personal information you have made publicly available. Some app has an access to your Google Drive. They can view and manage its configuration data to your Google Drive. Isn't that scary? Yes, it is. If you want to know how to remove the third-party access from your Google account, then make sure you watch the video till the end and follow the steps carefully. First of all, go to google.com and sign in. Go to Google Apps, which are on the right side top corner, and click Account. Go to Security, which is on the left side. Scroll down a little bit and you will see third-party app with account access. Click More and you will see the entire app which has access to your account. Now let's say you have already uninstalled an app long back, but you see that they still have an access to your personal account unless you removed it. To remove the access, you have to click an option, Remove Access. And that's it. Congratulations. You have successfully removed third-party access from your account. And hey, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay safe and see you soon. Goodbye.